Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. This is the latest model, released in 2021, and it's packed with features that make it perfect for entertainment, productivity, and on-the-go use. In this video, I'll be going over the specs, design, and overall performance of this tablet, so keep watching if you're thinking about picking one up for yourself. To review the detailed features of the product and to purchase, you can check the link in the description section. Review. The Fire HD 10 is a great tablet for those who want a vibrant display and fast performance. With a 1080p Full HD screen, this tablet is perfect for streaming movies, TV shows, and playing games. The 10.1-inch display is bright and responsive, and the 3GB of RAM and octa-core processor make multitasking a breeze. One of the best things about this tablet is its durability. Amazon engineers Fire tablets to hold up against everyday life. As measured in tumble tests, Fire HD 10 is 1.7x more durable than the latest iPad 10.2. The screen is made with strengthened aluminosilicate glass. It's perfect for people who are always on the go, and the battery life of up to 12 hours of reading, browsing the web over Wi-Fi, watching videos, and listening to music from anywhere. Power backup via the USB-C 2.0 port. Entertainment is a big focus of this tablet, and it's easy to see why. The vivid Full HD with more than 2 million pixels, immersive Dolby Atmos, and a 10% brighter display make movies, TV episodes, games, apps, ebooks, and songs look and sound amazing. Plus, you can stream over Wi-Fi or download from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and others, subscription for some apps required. Listen via built-in speakers or connect using Bluetooth or the headphone jack. The Fire HD 10 is also great for productivity. You can check your email with Microsoft Outlook while browsing the web. Find recipes and then update your grocery list. Apps like OneNote and Notepad help you manage lists and reminders. And of course, the Alexa feature is a great way to connect with friends and family using Zoom, Skype, and more. Keep up with the latest from social media apps like Twitter and all your favorite news sources. In terms of privacy, Alexa and Fire HD 10 are designed to protect your privacy. For example, you can view and delete your voice recordings or use the Alexa hands-free mode on/off toggle anytime. Closing. Overall, the Amazon Fire HD 10 is a great tablet for anyone looking for a device that can handle entertainment, productivity, and on-the-go use. With a vibrant display, fast performance, and long battery life, this tablet is a great value for the price. Thanks for watching my review, and I hope it helped you decide whether or not to pick up the Fire HD 10 for yourself. You can review and buy the product from the link in the description section. If you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.